Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday, $5 Friday. Okay, cut the nonsense. One thing I cannot do is sing, but it is our 4th anniversary, our birthday in May of 2018. Alicia, my very, very intelligent wife, convinced me that this would be a fantastic idea. And even though I fought her on it over and over again, we put this massive giveaway and discount site together for you because my wife said it was the best thing to do. And to celebrate you, it is you who made this a world phenomenon. It is you who shared it, embraced it, supported it. It is you and others like you that make up the hundreds of thousands of visitors that we get each and every month to this one little website. And so we want to give you some massive gifts all month long. And there is no better gift in the internet marketing industry than traffic. So let the party begin. When it comes to business, I like to just stick with the facts. 1 + 1 is 2. If I jump up in the air, my chubby self comes right back down to earth. Those are the facts. So fact is that social media is the go-to source for web traffic, lead generation, and sales for the majority of internet marketing solopreneurs. But it's 2022, and with the advancement of years comes the advancement of challenges for our go-to traffic source. Soaring costs make buying ads on these platforms out of the reach of the average solopreneur. Aggressive algorithms that are designed solely to eliminate any chance that you have of generating some free web traffic. Not to mention rules. You shall, you will, you must, but the rules are very hard to navigate for home business marketers like us. But what would happen if there were no rules? Wait. Better yet, what if you make the rules? Seriously, what if there was a place where you said, all the big platforms out there, you can go punch salt. We're going to hang out here and we're going to make the rules and we're going to network and we're going to make money and we're going to share and we're going to do all the things that we want to do in our business. Imagine if there was a social network created specifically for home business solopreneurs like you, with advanced networking tools, unlimited direct message, text or voice, private and group video chats, screen sharing, whiteboarding, and collaborative documents. Imagine if you could share a document with somebody who's doing some coding work with you, or you're discussing a compensation plan or whatever, and you can both make notes at the document at the same time while you're having a conversation in the message chat. Even Facebook doesn't have that. Plus, what if we were going to give you members a private download area where you could access paid products 100% free? Yes, some of the hottest top-selling products of today that we're going to purchase and reward you for being members at different levels and get paid products free. That, no other platform does that. Welcome to Netbizzz. So you can see Netbizzz is very simple. You can stream, you can go to your About page and you can build your profile. You can check your followers, your friends, go to any groups you may have joined. And it's photos, audios, videos, preferences. I think what separates us apart is fairly simple. We're having a pre-launch over the next couple days. You and everybody you know can join and use this service 100% free. You can see this service is so popular that we're not even open, and we have 608 members who've been helping us test all kinds of things over the last 6 or 8 months. We are now ready for you and the hundreds of thousands of others, home business owners who are tired of the rules. Those of you who join during this launch, we're going to have some wicked polls we're going to have some webinars where we're going to talk about what kind of rules should we really put in there. And my wife and I and our network at the $5 Friday, we're going to pay all the bills, but we're going to let you make all the rules. You're going to vote in a democratic community and decide who gets to say what, who gets to do what. Now, of course, we are just going to, right off the bat, no breaking of laws. But if you want to promote something the way you want to promote it, and you want to go out and message all kinds of people and do whatever you want to do and conduct business in your way, so long as you're not breaking the law, then this membership is going to make the rules, and the very, very, very few things that you cannot do on here are going to be decided by you, the members. How cool is that? So there is totally free. Anybody can come here and they can use all these features. And I'm going to go through the chats and then I'll explain some things about some other cool offers. So let's say I'm going to message somebody, okay? Well, I can message them the same way you would, right? I can put the emojis, I can make an attachment, okay? I can drop a file in here, I can share it with the person. I can send a sticker. There's my stickers. Like there's a gazillion types of stickers, right? You go through all these different categories and then you get stickers. The ability to send voice messages. So we have that technology. You can record a message. I can start an audio call. I can start a video call. Okay? Here's a feature that I've not seen anywhere else. I can bring up a whiteboard. So I'm going to click. Okay, so I'm making my board nice and big here. I'm going to start drawing something. You know, I could write something. I'm going to be talking about, this is my landing page and this is going to have this content here. Whatever you're teaching, sharing, discussing. You got your whiteboard here. You got colors. I'm going to guess that is. And then, what if you want to do a collaborative document? You can share your location like a Google map. But what if you want to do a collaborative document? So let's say I want to upload a document. So I did this one before. I would just choose the file. I went into the computer and then I went to some, I went here and I got some code, okay? So I'm going to import it now, okay. So now you have code there. What if you're talking to somebody and you have something on some page and you can't get it out? You can share it. Well, the other person can now be collaborating at the same time as you. Isn't there about 1 million different ways you could use something like this? I'm just using a very specific way. Okay, Netbizzz is the next generation business social network that says, hey, big boys, go pound salt. We found a better way to do our business without all of your silly rules and hassles. So how this awesome system works is everybody who signs up in the month of May here will become a founding member. And we're going to make you this great founding badge and then Javier is going to program it so that that goes on your social profile and everybody's going to see you as one of the founding members. So the first 2,000 to 5,000 people that join this month are going to get one of these badges. And there'll be no more founding members when we have our official grand opening. Now, we would like to give everything for free. But with an expense like this, we have to do something so that we can cover some of the costs. So what we decided to do is to give you the opportunity to be a plus member. So what that would mean is the first thing is you get private reward channels. So there's going to be a private area and in a couple days you're going to get access to it and only you and the plus members are going to get access to it. I'm going to put a paid product in there for free. So that's going to be Never less than 20 bucks a month, more like closer to $50 a month, because there's going to be multiple rewards on average per month. So then you get a private rewards channel where I'll put one or more paid products in there 100% free. I'll get access to it and I will give it to you free. If you want to become a pro member, we're going to make a VIP rewards channel, where the difference between these two channels is this will give you the front end of all the products for free, and this will give you the front end plus any OTOs that exist in the products 100% free. You'll be able to share your location. A special thing that we're going to give pro members who want to get much more involved in the platform is we're going to give you moderation authority. After the rules are met, we're going to have private webinars just for the moderators. And you're going to be given special powers to enforce the rules that are there. And for the Plus, you can do unlimited voice notes and unlimited audio calls. For the Pro, you get to share the voice notes, you get to share your screen, you get to share whiteboard, you get to share collaborative documents, unlimited audio and video calls, audio groups, video groups. And I think I got share screen twice. So it's very simple. Join for free. Get dozens of free products, plus voice notes and unlimited audio calls for a one-time fee of $10. Not $10 a month, one time. And if you really want the full power, then you get every feature we have, unlimited, plus dozens and dozens of best-selling paid products, including the OTOs, 100% free. $25 one time. Wait, we're not done. If you purchase the Plus program, you get the 25-day traffic plan. You get this giant marketing kit of a ridiculous amount of products. There's over 44 products here. Okay, you can read all about it, but who doesn't want 100 different email opening messages, 100 attention-grabbing questions? Very, very powerful bonus for a very, very powerful platform. Join for free, boost up your resources for a small one-time payment. Go fully unlimited pro for $25 one time. Click the button that's right for you, and I will see you on the inside.